Hey everybody, this is Chingus. Just got back from taking my dog for a walk. Boy, my arm's tired. Down. Hi everybody, this is Chingus. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and seal strip Glock 19. Make sure it's gone, clear and safe. TVX Arms Host, one of my favorites. Barrel clear. Anti-magazine, I already did. Now, once again, always say check. Pull the trigger, pull back just a little bit, that much. And you see these knobs right here. You're gonna pull down on both with both your thumb and your forefinger. Put it down, slide forward, bam. Take all that shit out. There's your field strip. Don't get much simpler than that. So I just got this rag right here. I got a couple options to use. Ballast off. This is both solvent and the lubricant. It's alright. I prefer to use solvent then a lubricant. But if I'm lazy, maybe I'll just throw this on real quick. Today we're gonna do a real quick clean. So here are the tools we're gonna need. A little brush, rag, wipe solvent, rag to lubricate. Wire brush for the barrel. I'm gonna use these gauze. Gonna run the gauze through it until it comes out pretty clean. Ballast down. I'm just gonna spray down. Take your brush, give it a quick rub, scrub down, and all the nooks and creams. Wipe the barrel down. Wipe this down and let you loosen all the debris. Get some Q-tip, get a little finer details, scrape off some of that gunk and all that. Yeah, you don't need to get too detailed with it. Further down the line, I'll show you how to do a more complete stripping, cleaning of it, which includes a firing pin, maybe trigger system. I don't think that needed. But I could take a Q-tip and get some of these nooks and cream. That look good right there. Let's see, this slide and everything. We just need to use a little bit of hop them down. And some people tell you start on the back end of the barrel and go forward. I don't know if it matters that much, but let's do it that way. I won't need that anymore, but I need this. I need some gauze. Probably just 2, maybe 3. I haven't cleaned this. It's been a while since I cleaned it, but I haven't shot it in a while, so Shouldn't be too dirty. I like to be thrifty, use both sides. So I use one side, turn it inside out, clean it again, run it through. On to the next. Run once. It's getting pretty clean. That's probably clean enough. Run it one more time on the other side. Yep, look good to me. That should be good. Mainly when I hit all the parts that hit metal, you see the little wear right there. You can see how hard to shoot this gun. But right there you see metal on metal. I want to hit that. Right there. Should be good. It should be all lubricated. So I use the ballast style. And get a little lubrication in the rails. Once again, wherever you see metal on metal, that's where you want to lubricate. Want to get a little in here. Now you're ready, put it back together. Take a slide, put the barrel in. Take a slide, put the barrel in. The coil spring. Set it in there nicely. Oh, where'd it go? Right there. Yeah, right there. Right. Just find the rails. That's how it go on. Bam. There you go. Glock clean. Sometimes I put a little extra sauce on the end. Protect that finish. Find a favorite holster. I don't know. Well, there you have it. That's how you field strip clean Glock 19. Most common handgun in the world. Yeah. Going up. Boy, my arm's tired.